And here we go. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engine ignition and liftoff. Liftoff of the Falcon 9 rocket with Crew Dragon Freedom carrying Crew 12 to the International Space Station. Falcon 9 has cleared the tower. Thermal conditioning of the Merlin vacuum engine on the rocket's upper stage. Coming up on a few events in fairly rapid succession here. We'll see first stage main engine cutoff, or MECO. That'll be followed by stage separation. The first stage will perform a flip maneuver. The Merlin vacuum engine on the second stage will ignite, and the boost back burn will start. We're about 10 seconds to the start of all of that.
Dragon copy.
All eyes on landing zone 40 and good tracking shots.
Stage 2 FPS
And a great sonic boom. The Dragon spacecraft here in the not too distant future. You can see separation of Dragon from the Falcon 9 upper stage. Dragon Freedom.
Dragon separation confirmed.
Flying free.
Dragon copy.
Dragon Freedom, Chief Engineer, Jessica, Jack, Sophie, Andre, welcome to orbit. On behalf of the entire Falcon team, we thank you for flying with Falcon 9. Dragon will take you from here. Over to our launch director for a few words.
It turns out Friday the 13th is a very lucky day. Jessica, Jack, Sophie, Andre, it's been a pleasure training with you and preparing